Hey, how you doing? I'm Dan McGee. Sunday night. Welcome to my garage. So, I'm wanted to just give a quick little tour around the electric equipment that I use to do my videos and sound recordings. So someone asked me in one of my postings about some of my equipment, so I figured it'd be easier for me to do just a quick little video on it. So away we go. So I guess I'll start out with so what you're seeing here is a HDMI switcher. So I can press a button. I've got 3 cameras going right now. 3 cameras in a computer. This is the computer. This is, if I press this, then that's the camera that's right in front of me. And that's the one that you normally see. Now if I press 3, that's to the side of me. What would be my left-hand side. And 4, I'm just doing this just to show you what the whole system looks like. See, it's when you look at it from afar, there's a lot of crap, but a lot of stuff going on. But when I press into number 2 camera, it's nice and close, so all that stuff goes away. And normally number 3 camera isn't pointing down. It's normally pointing over by red. So that is the HDMI switcher. It's made by a company called Hdmi. It's an Hdmi Mini by Black Magic. Anyhow, it's fun. I'm gonna switch back down a little bit because I wanted to show you this cool thing. So if you see these, there's like these little boxes here. I can do like a picture in a picture. If I press this, oh, there you go. See, you'll see it in the right-hand corner. Now I can move it around too. You can go completely around the screen. Now if I wanted to... Now what you're seeing there is actually my computer. This computer right here. That's a laptop. That's not... The laptop is not running all this stuff. I've got an HP I forgot what you call them, tower, and it's a gaming computer, so it's pretty fast. It's good with video stuff. So if I wanted to pull something off of the internet, all I'd have to do is pull it up on this computer here, and then see, now you see it. Now I can just record this if I wanted to, and then I can edit it however I wanted to. So I'm gonna go back to me, full screen. I'm gonna skip over again to the desk camera, we'll call it, the overhead desk camera. So anyhow, that's if I want to do a picture in a picture, or if I wanted to pull something up. If I wanted to pull something up and then just keep it to the side, so I know it's all ready to go. It's all ready to go there. So, oh, look at that! You get a free commercial. Can't get easier than that. All right. Where was I? Oh, if I wanted to pull something up on the computer here, I can do that, and I can record it right to my whatever I was recording. All right. I'm going to switch back to the overhead desk. And what you see here, this is a Rodecaster Pro. And what this is basically a soundboard. Now it has 6 different ways that you can run sound into it. It's got 4 XLR connectors, which normally that's what they use when you're doing like a professional microphone. And then they also have a couple of you could do a Bluetooth on your phone. Say if I wanted to play music off my phone, I can connect it Bluetooth. Then it also has like an 1/8" jack back here that I can hook up, so I can play say it's an older model, something it doesn't have Bluetooth, I can still get it into the mix. And right now I've got my stereo going right here, and you can kind of hear it in the background a little bit. So I've got that hooked up to that 1/8" jack, and if I wanted to turn it up a little bit to get it in with the mix, you can see it. Pretty cool, right? Okay. Now it also has like a soundboard too. So if I wanted to do some sound effects, and again, I can play it and fade it out if I wanted to, fade it back in, or if I'm, want to do like silly laugh track stuff, I can do that. But anyhow, the main idea behind this is if I wanted to interview people, 4 different people in the garage, in the studio, everybody could have their own microphone, and if somebody's talking louder than the rest of them, then I could turn them down a little bit, and if somebody's talking a little less, I could turn him up a little bit. So I can make all of the voices around the same amount of volume to make it sound good. But I don't know if you could see it, but it's pretty cool, right? This is what I'm seeing on my screen right here. So I'm going to turn it back to the main screen, and you can't see it because I'm not going to have the camera on it anymore. But so that's my soundboard, and let's see. What else do I want to talk about? I mainly just wanted to go over the main components. Now I'm using a Audio Technica microphone, which is it's not a professional microphone, but it's a pretty good one. Microphones range from $30 to thousands of dollars. This one's, at the low end of good. So whatever that means. Oh, the headphones that I wear, these headphones, The reason I wear them sometimes I don't. If I'm doing like something over Zoom, then I need to hear the speakers from the computer to so I can hear everybody talking. But like right now, in order to hear the stereo, I got to have the headphones on because the stereo doesn't play through here. So on the outside, nothing's going up. It's only going into the board and through my headphones. So that's pretty cool. All right. That's about all. I just wanted to go over a few little things because someone asked about the setup on it. Hope you had a good weekend. Talk to you later. Cheers to you. Fade to black.